kindergarten. Today we're going to hear a new nursery rhyme. And you all know by now that a nursery rhyme is a short poem for young children. We've done so many so far, and usually they have rhyming, and you get to talk about them with Mr. Malcolm, which is so much fun. So today we're going to hear a new one. So just like we've done before, today you're going to pay attention to what's happening in the nursery rhyme. What happens to our character? Make sure you're really listening so that when you go to Mr. Malcolm, you can talk about the story. Today we have 2 vocabulary words. The first word is beside. That means next to or at the side of. So right here, this boy is beside the mirror. Our second word today is frightened, and that means scared. So you might be frightened if you see a really scary monster, right? You would be frightened because that means scared. You can always show you're frightened by going, that's a frightened face. Okay. Today you're going to make a prediction just like you did last time. Remember you made predictions about Jack and Jill? Today you're going to make a prediction about this new nursery rhyme that's called Little Miss Muffet. Remember, you can actually use clues from the title or the picture or the words to figure out what it's going to be about. So look at this picture. What is happening in this picture? What do you see? What do you think this nursery rhyme is going to be about? You can pause the video and tell someone close to you, or you can say it to the screen. What do you notice? I definitely noticed that there's a little girl eating, and there's a very scary, or I guess I should say frightening, spider right here. Ooh. Okay, so for today's story, I need you to know a couple of things. The first thing is about a specific type of food that she's eating right there. Have you ever had a food called cottage cheese? It's a type of food, and back in the day, a long time ago, they would call cottage cheese curds and whey. So in this story, you're going to hear the words curds and whey, and that means this white food right here, okay? You might also hear the word tuffet, and that just means this low seat right here. So say tuffet for me. Go ahead and say it. Tuffet. Yeah, that's the seat that this girl is on. Okay, I think you're almost ready to hear the story. I also just really want to know, have you ever seen a spider? What does a spider look like? How would you feel if a spider was that close to you? Okay, let's get ready to listen to this story. I'm now going to read the nursery rhyme about Little Miss Muffet. Make sure you're listening carefully. Try to see if the predictions you made earlier are right. Okay. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Oh, I like this nursery rhyme. I'm going to read it again. This time I'm going to stop to explain what's happening. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Remember, that's this low stool. Eating her curds and whey. She's eating cottage cheese. Along came a spider who sat down beside her, so that means right next to her, and frightened Miss Muffet away. So frightened means scared. He scared her away. Now I'm going to read the nursery rhyme again, and I'm going to stop after every line so that you can repeat after me. Let's try it. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Awesome job! I'm so excited for you to talk about this nursery rhyme with Mr. Malcolm. So get ready! Thanks for watching. Bye!